When most people think about assets, they think of shares, property, or ETFs. But one of the most valuable assets you can ever own might be a business you build yourself. Many people dream of starting an online business. Some want to earn a little extra income. Others hope to replace their full-time job. And some want to build a valuable business that could eventually be sold. The good news is that modern technology has made it easier than ever to start a business online. But easier doesn't mean easy. In fact, many online businesses never become profitable. Not because the owners aren't hardworking, but because they never treated the business like a real business. In this video, we'll look at the fundamentals of building an online business, the questions you should ask before you begin, and why treating your business like a real asset can dramatically improve your chances of success. This video is for general educational purposes only and should not be considered business or financial advice. Every business involves risk, and results will vary depending on your experience, effort, and market conditions. There are many ways to build an online business. You might write books, sell physical products, create digital products, offer professional services, teach online, or build a YouTube channel. Each business is different, but they all have one thing in common. They create value for customers. In return, customers pay for that value. If your business consistently earns more than it costs to operate, you've created an asset that can generate income for years to come. Unlike many traditional jobs, a successful business can continue earning income even when you're not actively working. That's one of the reasons so many people are attracted to building businesses online. 20 years ago, starting a business often meant renting a shop, hiring staff, and spending thousands of dollars before making your first sale. Today, one person with a laptop can reach customers almost anywhere in the world. You could write books, sell products, teach online, offer professional services, create YouTube videos, develop software, or sell digital products. Artificial intelligence has also reduced many of the barriers that once stopped people from getting started. But while technology has made starting easier, it has also made competition much greater. The internet doesn't just give you access to customers, it gives your competitors access to those same customers. Before building your business, ask yourself one simple question. What does success actually look like? Do you want a few $100s a month, a business that replaces your salary, a company you can eventually sell, or simply another source of income alongside your existing job? There isn't a right answer, but your goal determines the decisions you'll make. Someone building a lifestyle business may make very different choices from someone trying to build a multi-million-dollar company. Many businesses begin with something the owner loves doing. Writing books, photography, woodworking, fitness, cooking, teaching. Passion is important because it helps you stay motivated. But customers don't buy products because you enjoy creating them. They buy because your product solves a problem or provides value. One of the biggest mistakes new business owners make is creating something they love, instead of creating something customers actually want. Before spending money or hundreds of hours building your business, write down the answers to these questions. What problem does my business solve? Who is my ideal customer? Who are my competitors? Why would someone choose me instead? How will customers find me? How much money will I need? How long can I fund this business before it becomes profitable? These questions don't guarantee success, but failing to ask them greatly increases the chance of failure. People often hear the words business plan and imagine a thick document filled with complicated financial projections. For most beginners, you don't need that. A single page answering the important questions is often enough to get started. Your plan should include your goal, your product or service, your target customer, your marketing strategy, your expected costs, and how you'll measure success. Remember, plans change. The military has a famous saying, "No plan survives first contact with the enemy." Business is remarkably similar. Your first idea may evolve, your pricing may change, your marketing may change, your product may improve. The important thing isn't having the perfect plan. It's having a plan that gives you somewhere to begin. One of the simplest business tools is called a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. It helps you think objectively about your business. What advantages do you have? What skills do you still need? What opportunities exist in your market? And what risks could prevent your success? It's simple, but it's surprisingly effective. Many new business owners stay busy. They design logos, build websites, buy equipment, watch online courses, print business cards. All of those things can be useful, but none of them matter unless customers are buying. Revenue is the scorecard. Focus your energy on creating value and finding customers. Everything else comes second. Building a successful business takes time. Very few businesses become profitable overnight. Just like investing, businesses compound. One customer becomes 10, 10 become 100. One product becomes several. The skills you learn become more valuable every year. The goal isn't overnight success. It's consistent progress over many years. An online business can become one of the most rewarding assets you'll ever build. But success usually doesn't come from having the perfect idea. It comes from solving real problems, serving customers well, managing your money carefully, and improving a little every day. Treat your business like a real business from the very beginning, and you'll give yourself the best chance of building an asset that generates income for years to come. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing for more practical videos on investing, building wealth, and managing risk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.